Okay guys, my turn to film now. Second time on this Alpine coaster. We've got the lift hill to start with. Quite a long lift hill, which is always a good thing. That means it's going to be a longer ride. And I'm just going to pause this while we wait, and I'll be back when we get to the top. Okay, so we're just approaching the top now. That's David and Ted. They've just gone down in front of me. We're approaching the top. Alright, let's go. So, if you've not been on an Alpine coaster before, just press the brakes down to go, pull them back towards you to brake. That's it, nice and simple. We've got some little hops here, woohoo! Woohoo! Telling me to brake, but I'm not going to. Nobody brakes on an Alpine coaster. Woo! Oh, little zigzag track. Little drop. Woo! Really fun, this coaster. It's a good one. Woo! Some more little bunny hops there. Little corner. And round the corner we go. And approaching the end. Just going to start braking a little bit. Oh, quite a lot.
That's good.
Are we going again?
Yeah.
And there we go.